We crave comfort, we seek safety. It's human nature to avoid pain, to shy away from the unknown. But what if I told you that real growth, true transformation lies just beyond the borders of our comfort zones? What if I told you that embracing discomfort is the key to unlocking our fullest potential? This isn't about seeking out suffering or glorifying hardship. It's about recognizing that life's greatest lessons are often learned in the face of adversity. It's about choosing courage over comfort, vulnerability over armor. It's about stepping into the arena, wholeheartedly and bravely, knowing that even if we stumble, we'll rise stronger. This is the essence of resilience. It's not the absence of fear or struggle, but the ability to navigate them with grace, to learn from them, and to emerge transformed. It's a journey of self-discovery, a testament to the indomitable spirit that resides within each of us. Are you ready to embark on this journey with me? Picture this. A group of individuals, diverse in background and experience, gathered in a sun-drenched meadow. The sun casts a golden hue over the landscape, creating an atmosphere of warmth and possibility. Each person brings with them a unique story, a tapestry of experiences that have shaped who they are today. They are about to embark on a journey, not across continents or oceans, but a journey inward, a deep dive into the heart of resilience. In this serene setting, they find a moment of peace, a chance to center themselves before the challenges ahead. The practice of mindfulness helps them connect with their inner strength, preparing them for the trials they will face. This is no ordinary retreat. It's a call to courage, an invitation to embrace discomfort and emerge stronger. The activities planned are designed to push boundaries, to test limits, and to foster a sense of camaraderie among the participants. Each exercise is a step towards building resilience, a crucial skill in navigating the complexities of life. At the heart of this gathering lies a high wire strung between two towering trees, a tangible symbol of the challenges that await. The high wire is not just a physical obstacle, it represents the mental and emotional hurdles that each person must overcome. It stands as a testament to the power of facing one's fears head-on. The air crackles with nervous anticipation as each participant contemplates the task ahead. The weight of the moment is palpable as they grapple with their inner doubts and fears. The high wire looms large, a daunting challenge that requires not just physical balance but mental fortitude. Fear, doubt, and excitement mingle in their eyes, a potent cocktail of emotions that precedes any great leap of faith. These emotions are a natural response to the unknown, a mix of apprehension and exhilaration that comes with stepping out of one's comfort zone. It's in these moments of vulnerability that true growth occurs. For some, the high wire represents a long-held fear of heights, a physical manifestation of vulnerability. The thought of stepping onto the wire brings a rush of adrenaline, a reminder of the fragility of the human condition. Yet, it is also an opportunity to confront and conquer these fears, to transform vulnerability into strength. For others, it symbolizes the risks they've been hesitant to take in their lives, the dreams they've kept locked away. The high wire becomes a metaphor for the aspirations they've been too afraid to pursue, the chances they've let slip by. It challenges them to take that first step, to embrace the uncertainty and strive for their goals. But for all, it stands as a powerful metaphor for the challenges, both big and small, that life throws our way. Walking the high wire requires focus, balance, and determination, qualities that are essential in overcoming life's obstacles. Each step taken on the wire is a testament to the human spirit's resilience and capacity for growth. As each person takes their turn on the high wire, they are met with cheers and encouragement from their peers. This support is a crucial element of the experience, reinforcing the idea that we are not alone in our struggles. The collective energy of the group helps to bolster individual courage, creating a sense of unity and shared purpose. When someone successfully crosses the high wire, the sense of accomplishment is palpable. It's a victory not just over the physical challenge, but over the internal barriers that once seemed insurmountable. This triumph serves as a reminder that with determination and support, we can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. The experience culminates in a celebration of resilience and camaraderie. The bonds formed during this journey are strengthened by the shared challenges and triumphs. Each person leaves the meadow with a renewed sense of confidence and a deeper understanding of their own strength. This leap of faith, both literal and metaphorical, becomes a cornerstone in their personal growth, a testament to the power of facing fears and embracing the unknown. The first step onto the high wire is always the hardest. It's a moment filled with hesitation, where every muscle in your body tenses up, and your mind races with 1,000 what-ifs. What if I fall? What if I fail? What if I can't do it? These questions swirl around, creating a storm of doubt and fear. It requires a deep breath, a surrendering to the unknown, a willingness to be vulnerable. This vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to our courage. It's about embracing the uncertainty and stepping forward despite the fear. It's about trusting ourselves and the process, even when the outcome is unclear. As each participant takes that first tentative step, a hush falls over the group. It's a collective moment of holding breath, where everyone is united in their silent support. The air is thick with anticipation, each person projecting their own fears and hopes onto the one taking the step. The air thickens with a palpable mix of fear and anticipation. Faces are tense, eyes are wide, and hearts beat a little faster. It's a shared experience where the fear of one becomes the fear of all, and the courage of one becomes the courage of all. But here's the thing about vulnerability, it's contagious. When one person dares to open up, it creates a ripple effect. It gives others the permission to do the same, to share their own fears and insecurities. It's a powerful reminder that we are not alone in our struggles. As one person shares their fear, another finds the courage to do the same. It's a beautiful cycle of mutual support and understanding. Each story shared is a step towards healing, a step towards breaking the chains of fear that hold us back. Soon the silence is broken, not by words of judgment or dismissal, but by whispers of shared experience, of understanding, nods, and heartfelt encouragement. It's a space where everyone feels seen and heard, where every fear is met with empathy and compassion.
"I'm terrified of heights," one woman confides, her voice trembling slightly. Her admission is met with nods of understanding, and she feels a little lighter for having shared her burden. "But I'm here because I'm tired of letting fear control my life." Her words are a declaration of intent, a promise to herself to reclaim her power. It's a moment of transformation, where fear begins to lose its hold.
Her words resonate with the group, a chorus of knowing nods and murmurs of agreement. It's a shared acknowledgement of the courage it takes to face one's fears, and a collective commitment to support each other in that journey.
"Me too," a man admits, his voice thick with emotion. His vulnerability is raw and real, and it touches everyone in the room. "I've always played it safe, but I'm starting to realize that's no way to truly live." His words are a revelation, a moment of clarity that inspires others to reflect on their own lives.
In that moment of shared vulnerability, something remarkable happens. The walls that separate us begin to crumble, and we find strength in our shared humanity. Fear doesn't disappear, but it loses its grip. It's no longer a solitary burden, but a shared challenge. Together, we find the strength to face it, to move forward despite it. It's replaced by a sense of connection, of shared humanity, of knowing that we're not alone in our struggles. In this shared space, we find the courage to take that first step, to embrace our fears and to support each other in the journey towards healing and growth. The journey across the high wire is not a solitary one. Each participant is paired with a partner, someone to offer support, encouragement, and a steady hand to hold. As they navigate the swaying wire, they learn to rely on each other, to trust in something outside themselves. The power of connection becomes palpable.
Laughter erupts as one partner stumbles, only to be steadied by the other. Words of encouragement fill the air, drowning out the whispers of self-doubt. In each other's eyes, they see not judgment but reflection, a shared understanding of the courage it takes to step outside one's comfort zone.
"I never thought I could do this," one participant exclaims, her voice trembling with a mix of fear and exhilaration. "But having my partner here, trusting me, believing in me, it makes all the difference." Her words echo the sentiments of the group. In the shared experience of vulnerability and support, they discover a strength they never knew they possessed. The journey across the high wire is not without its stumbles. Each step taken is a testament to the courage and determination of the individual. The high wire represents the challenges we face in life, where every move requires precision and balance. There are wobbles, moments of doubt, a fleeting urge to retreat to the safety of solid ground. These moments of hesitation are natural, as the fear of falling can be overwhelming. Yet it is in these very moments that true character is revealed. But here's the thing about stumbles. They're not failures, they're opportunities for growth. Each stumble teaches a valuable lesson, each misstep a chance to learn and improve. The path to success is rarely a straight line. It is filled with twists, turns, and occasional falls. Each time a participant wavers, a collective gasp ripples through the group. The shared experience of watching someone struggle creates a bond, a sense of empathy and understanding. Everyone knows the feeling of uncertainty, the fear of not making it. But instead of judgment or ridicule, there's a surge of support. The group rallies around the individual, offering words of encouragement and gestures of solidarity. This support is crucial, as it provides the strength needed to continue.
"You've got this," someone yells. "Just find your balance." These words, though simple, carry immense power. They remind the individual that they are not alone, that others believe in their ability to succeed. And slowly, steadily, the participant regains their footing, their confidence bolstered by the unwavering support of the group. The journey continues, each step more assured than the last. The high wire no longer seems as daunting, the fear of falling replaced by the determination to succeed.
"I fell," one participant admits later, their voice laced with a hint of shame. The admission is a moment of vulnerability, a recognition of their own limitations. But it is also a moment of honesty, a willingness to confront their fears. "I didn't make it all the way across." The words hang in the air, a reminder of the challenges faced and the obstacles overcome, but they are not the end of the story. But before the words of self-recrimination can take root, another participant interjects, "But you got back up. You kept going. That takes courage." These words shift the focus from the fall to the recovery, from the stumble to the strength it takes to keep going.
In that moment, a powerful shift occurs. The realization that falling is not the end, but merely a part of the journey, takes hold. The focus shifts from the fear of failure to the determination to succeed. The focus shifts from the fall to the recovery, from the stumble to the strength it takes to keep going. Each recovery is a testament to the resilience and determination of the individual. The journey is not about avoiding falls, but about rising each time we fall. The group learns to embrace the imperfections, to see setbacks not as defeats, but as stepping stones on the path to resilience. Each stumble, each fall, is a step towards growth and self-improvement. The journey across the high wire becomes a metaphor for life's challenges, a reminder that every fall is an opportunity to rise stronger,